was indeed happy, now you're telling me it's over. Oh my, I wonder what's next, you know we're getting older.
Hello guys, welcome back, or welcome if this is your first time on one of my videos. Thank you so much for clicking on here today. I really hope that it gives you the motivation that you came looking for. I'm doing a quick 10-minute cleanup today, so it's not a deep clean, but I just wanted to share how much you can actually get done when you are against the clock. So do go ahead and set your timer and clean along with me today. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and go ahead and leave today's video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it. So I always like to start off just by making my bed. I feel like it helps me stay productive throughout the day. I don't know why, but that's just something that I try and do every morning. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that now, and also sort out any washing so I can get that put in whilst I'm doing everything else. I always like to have a wash load going in the morning as well. So make sure that you make your bed every morning, because it really does help set you up for a good day. Okay, so once I had the bedroom done, it was time to head downstairs and do the kitchen, and as you can see, it's an absolute mess. So I need to just get everything back where it belongs, sort out the rubbish and everything, and just make it nice and clean. I definitely do need to try and keep on top of this a little bit more and do it before I go to bed, because it's such a nice feeling coming down in the morning to a clean kitchen. I don't know why I don't do it every night, because it would just make my days so much better. So I definitely need to get on top of this, but it never takes as long as you think it's going to. But yeah, just start. That's all I can say. Is if you are overwhelmed by a space, if you think it's going to take forever, just make a start, because I promise you it's not going to take as long as you think, and you are going to feel so much better once it's done.
Roll the dice, roll the dice, roll the dice, you don't live twice, roll the dice. I see the fire in your eyes, they used to take color from the skies. Do you remember? Take me to where the mountains can kill, people are free and time stands still. Whatever makes my heart come to life or fall apart. Show me the best and worst of the world. I hope that's the life that you prefer. And if you want to go with me there, just let me know. Roll the dice, you don't live twice. Roll the dice, roll the dice, roll the dice, you don't live twice. Roll the dice.
I've been fighting everything you say. I've been trying to go the other way, but I can't seem to get you out of my head. Out of my head. I've been fighting everything you'll be, 'cause everything you'll be is changing me, and I can't seem to get you out of my head. Out of my head. I got time for you, I got time.
So we actually missed the recycling the other week, which is why you're going to see in a minute this cupboard is absolutely full of recycling, but luckily it's getting picked up again in a couple of days. But I have just had recycling coming out of my ears the last week and it's driving me mad. So I'm so glad that this is going to be gone in the next few days. But yeah, so once I sorted that out, I can now just go in, wipe down all the sides and get it nice and clean. And honestly, this didn't take long at all, probably 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and everything was done, everything was clean. And when I started, it felt like it was gonna take me so much longer, but I always just feel so good once it's done, and then I can just relax for the day knowing that the kitchen is nice and clean. So I've now just headed through into the front room and it's not too bad today. I just need to whiz around and put a few bits away and then do the dusting and hoovering. Whenever I'm just doing a quick tidy up and not a deep clean, I do mainly focus on downstairs because those are just the main living areas and that's what everyone's going to see. So whenever I don't have time to do a whole house clean, I always just focus on downstairs and the high traffic areas. It just makes everything less overwhelming and it just takes the weight off my shoulders and I don't have to think about doing the entire house. So if you don't have time to do a whole house clean, just focus on the high traffic areas and everything else can wait until another day.
I once felt I'm done with the defense, drove back and climbed over your fence, had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders, I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back, there's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all
Really hope that you've enjoyed today's video and it's given you some instant motivation to clean along with me. Don't forget to leave it a thumbs up if it did, and also consider subscribing because I would love to have you here, and I'll see you back here in the next one.
we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.